Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English for Everyone podcast. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Joey. We are so happy to have you with us today. Today, we are going to explore the world of modern living. We want to talk about how we navigate our social lives, our careers, and our personal growth.
That's right. And today we are talking about a topic that can be stressful, but is vital for a secure future: personal finance and budgeting.
Money, Rachel. It's like a ghost. I see it enter my account on payday and then poof, it disappears into thin air. I'm living paycheck to paycheck and I don't know where it all goes. I'm broke.
Living paycheck to paycheck. That's a common idiom for having no savings and spending everything you earn before the next month starts. To fix that, Joey, you need a budget.
A budget. Budget. That sounds like homework, Rachel. I'm not a math genius. Is it hard to track my expenses?
It's not hard, it's just mindful. Start by categorizing your fixed expenses and your variable expenses.
Fixed and variable. Fixed are the same every month, like rent or car insurance, and variable are things that change, like groceries or entertainment.
Exactly. Most people overspend on variable expenses. We call this lifestyle creep.
Lifestyle creep. That's a sneaky idiom. It means that as I earn more money, I spend more money on niceties instead of saving it, right?
Precisely. You upgrade your coffee, you upgrade your car, and suddenly you are still broke even with a raise. You should follow the 50-30-20 rule.
50, 30, 20. So 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt. That sounds balanced. But what if I have a debt that is crushing me?
Crushing debt? That's a heavy feeling. You need to look at your interest rates. Are you paying high interest debt like credit cards?
Nods. My credit card has an interest rate of 20%. It's like a bottomless pit. Every time I pay it off, it grows back.
A bottomless pit. That's a vivid way to describe it. You should try the snowball method.
The snowball method, like rolling a ball of snow down a hill until it gets bigger. Do I start with the smallest debt first?
Yes, pay off the smallest bill to get a win. It builds momentum. Once that's gone, you roll that money into the next debt.
Building momentum. That means gaining speed and power. I like that. It's psychological. Okay, Rachel, let's talk about the ultimate financial goal. Everyone says I need an emergency fund. How much cash do I need to stash away before I can sleep soundly at night?
A good rule of thumb is 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This is your safety net for if you lose your job or have a medical emergency.
Safety net. Like in the circus, it catches me if I fall. But that's a huge amount of money. I'll be saving for years.
Don't get overwhelmed, Joey. Start small. Even $20 a week is better than nothing. You have to pay yourself first.
Pay myself first. That's an interesting phrase. It means putting money into savings before I pay the bills or buy a pizza, right?
Exactly. Treat savings like a non-negotiable bill.
Non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. That means not open to discussion. I must do it.
Precisely. Now, once you have your emergency fund, you can think about investing.
Investing. That sounds risky, Rachel. Is that like gambling in the stock market?
Not if you are diversified. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Use index funds.
Index funds. Those are collections of stocks that represent the whole market, right? So if one company fails, the others keep me afloat.
You've done your research, and the most powerful tool in investing is compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world.
Compound interest. That's when my interest earns more interest and it grows exponentially over time, right?
Yes, time is your best friend. Start investing in your 20s, and you'll be a millionaire by your 60s.
I wish I had known this 10 years ago. I'd be retiring on a beach right now.
The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now.
The second best time is now. I'm going to open a brokerage account today. What about inflation, Rachel? My dollars buy less bread than they did last year.
Inflation is the gradual increase in prices. It eats your purchasing power. That's why you can't just leave money under the mattress.
Under the mattress. That's a classic idiom for hiding cash at home. I guess I need my money to work for me instead of sitting idle.
Exactly. Well, Joey, I think we've balanced the books today.
I feel wealthy already. I'm going to go audit my subscriptions. Let's review our profitable vocabulary.
Vocabulary review. 1. Paycheck to paycheck. Idiom. Meaning, having no money left over after paying one's bills from each paycheck. Example, until I started budgeting, I was living paycheck to paycheck and couldn't afford a vacation. 2. Lifestyle creep. Noun phrase. Meaning, the phenomenon where one's discretionary consumption increases as their income rises. Example, he got a big promotion, but thanks to lifestyle creep, he's still struggling to save money. 3. Categorizing. Verb, gerund. Meaning, placing into classes or groups, organizing items by type. Example, categorizing your expenses into needs and wants is the first step of a budget. 4. Bottomless pit. Idiom, meaning, something that seems to have no end or limit, especially in terms of consuming resources. Example, maintaining that old sports car is a bottomless pit for my savings. 5. Momentum. Noun. Meaning, the strength or force that something has when it is moving, the power to keep moving or developing. Example, once you pay off your first small debt, you gain the momentum to tackle the larger ones. 6. Safety net. Idiom. Noun phrase. Meaning, a safeguard against possible hardship or adversity. Example, an emergency fund acts as a safety net if you face unexpected medical bills. 7. Non-negotiable. Adjective. Meaning, not open to discussion or modification, something that must be done. Example, for me, getting 8 hours of sleep is non-negotiable for my mental health. 8. Diversified. Adjective, meaning, of an investment portfolio including a wide range of different types of investments to reduce risk. Example, a diversified portfolio is less likely to lose all its value during a market crash. 9. Compound interest. Noun phrase. Meaning, interest calculated on the principal, the original amount, and also on the accumulated interest of previous periods. Example, compound interest is the secret to building long-term wealth. 10. Retiring. Verb, gerund. Meaning, leaving one's job and ceasing to work, typically upon reaching the normal age for leaving service. Example, he's looking forward to retiring so he can spend more time traveling. 11. Purchasing power. Noun phrase, meaning the financial ability to buy products and services. Example, high inflation reduces the purchasing power of the average consumer. 12. Balanced the books. Idiom, meaning to make certain that the amount of money spent is not more than the amount of money received. Example, after a difficult year, the company finally balanced the books and made a small profit. Use this bridge to explore the world. We are always here to help you.
Don't forget to check our community tab. We have a poll waiting for you.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay positive.
Bye-bye.